Awawa Fongdokchaba SKTV gi IT section gi engineer oina leramba Selambau Panmaina laibak thiba thodok amada lekhidabada SKTV gi management amadi staff singna thamoshokna awawa fongdorakli Masagi chahi kuntaret khaktamak ngaikhiba Selambau Panmai Tamenglong district ki Luangdi Pabram dagi hauzikna kaisampata leiduna SKTV gi IT section da thabak tawrakhibani Selambau mathauda mabukning changba amadi hotnaba kanba engineer ama oiramki mahakna lekhidabada SKTV gi management amadi staff na Selambau gi thawaina mapugi leikonda ingna chikna leirunaba thauni zabaga loinana leikhidrabagi imung manungi awabadashu saruk yazari Khangan Jariba SKTV management amadi staff
Kurumjari, a very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. Before we begin, let's take a look at the headlines first. Assam Rifles neutralizes 10 suspected militants of Myanmar-based KNAB in gunfight that erupted along Indo-Myanmar border in Chandal district. And Manipur police dismisses existence of cookie groups that threatened Meitei community against attending Siroi festival, assures adequate security for visitors. And now to top stories. Assam Rifles has killed 10 cadres of suspected KNAB in a gun battle that erupted near New Lamsamtal village in Chandal district's Kenjoy subdivision yesterday. According to Indian Army Eastern Command, upon receiving specific intelligence on a movement of armed cadres along Indo-Myanmar border, a unit of Assam Rifles under Spear Corps launched an operation on May 14. During the operation, the troops were fired upon by suspected cadres, to which the Assam Rifles team retaliated in a calibrated and measured manner. In the ensuing gunfight, the 10 cadres, believed to be that of Myanmar-based KNAB, were neutralized and a sizable quantity of arms and ammunition have been recovered. The post on X by Eastern Command of Indian Army also informed that the operation is still in progress. Ukhrul District Police has assured to make adequate security arrangement to ensure and facilitate free movement of public during a Siroi festival, which begins on May 20th. Dismissing the existence of an organization called Sktv'S Village Volunteer Eastern Zone, in short KZVVEZ, which has threatened Meitei community against entering or crossing Kuki inhabited areas during Siroi festival, Manipur police informed that Ukhrul District Police has inquired into the organization called KZVVEZ, and it was found that no such organization exists. It also urged the central general public not to believe such unfounded and baseless press note issued by unknown organization. Meanwhile, Sktv'S Council has also clarified that it does not engage in or endorse the threat issued by Sktv'S Village Volunteers Eastern Zone concerning the Siroi Lily Festival. In a press statement, Sktv'S Council further maintained that as a political platform committed to representing democratic and collective interests of Sktv'S people, the Council does not endorse unsolicited communications issued by individuals or organizations acting independently. Director of Tourism Department, Pooja Ilangvam, has asserted that the 5th Siroi Lily Festival will be harbinger of peace and prosperity and called for full public participation in making the festival successful. Explaining the relevance and importance of the Siroi festival, Director Pooja Ilangvam said the festival is coming after a gap of 2 years and it celebrates the famous and endangered Siroi lily and its habitat in Siroi Hill. while expressing hopes that the people of Ukhrul will warmly welcome visitors and tourists during the festival. Pooja Langbam said the festival will help in raising awareness about tourism potential of Manipur, apart from providing a big platform for Ukhrul to showcase its rich culture and traditions, along with unique cuisines and hospitality. The Shiroi Lily Festival starts on May 20th and will continue till May 24th.
The fifth edition after a gap of 2 years, and we hope that the people of Shiroi will come out to extend warm hospitality, the famous warm hospitality of Ukhrul. Not just Shiroi but also all over Manipur. We hope that people will welcome visitors and tourists who will come for this festival, and we hope that the Shiroi Lily beauty pageant will be a very important part of it, because it highlights the importance of people coming together to raise awareness about the tourism potential of Manipur, and also its arts and culture, its traditions, its food, handloom, textiles, which Manipur is very rich in, and especially will be highlighting the cultures and traditions of Ukhrul.
Security forces arrested one self-styled surgeon, major of known suspension of operations group Chin Kuki Liberation Army, along with arms yesterday. According to police, the arrested cadre is identified as David Ngamjang, aged 25 years, of M. Tajang village near Suknu, and presently staying at Zovan in Churachandpur district. It went on to inform that David Ngamjang was arrested from a Saikot village under Churachandpur police station in Churachandpur district during a search operation following a tip-off from intelligence. It is he has said to have been involved in extortion activities in various parts of the state. Police also recovered a 9mm pistol with 3 live bullets from his possession. Social Development Association SDA has extended support to indefinite pen down and gun down protests being carried out by Village Defence Force VDF over government's failure to fulfill their demands, which include extending their service tenure. In a press release issued by its secretary A. Dijendro, SDA further urged Manipur governor to fulfill the demands of VDF at the earliest, adding that they served like other state forces and even took pivotal role in safeguarding the villagers in red zone areas in the ongoing crisis. As a mark of encouraging the children of those who laid down their lives in defending the state during the peak of the ongoing crisis, MR Trust extended financial assistance and gifts to Moirangthem Sonali Chanu of Yaurabung Mayailekai for successfully clearing this year's Class 10 examination conducted by BOSM. Members of MR Trust handed over the cash award and gifts to the student by visiting her residence. It may be mentioned that Sonali's father, Moirangthem Ropen, who took the role of a village volunteer, was killed by Kuki perpetrators while guarding villagers at Narvin Sena on August 31st, 2023. Summer school for college teachers on biological tools and technique based on NEP 2020 celebrate conducted at Annexed Building, Department of Life Sciences in Manipur University yesterday. The event was organized with the aim to sharpen the knowledge of teacher about the new methodologies and comprehensive ideas which are brought upon by the newly added contents in the syllabus under NEP 2020. The program was organized by Department of Life Sciences, Manipur University, and DBT Builder from May 5th. Nongpok Ningthau Panthoi B Trust will organize a seven-day workshop on the theme Omanglai Harauba from May 27 to June 2nd. Addressing a press meet held today at the shrine of Nongpok Ningtho Apanthoibi located near Thobal Nongpok Ching Powerhouse, NNAT Cultural Organizing Secretary Ratan Leishangtem conveyed that experts from Pandit Loishang, Lainingtho Sanamahi Temple Board, Manipur University of Culture, Ukal and Uttara Shanglen will speak on various topics related to Umang Lai Harauba, besides screening videos of Lai Harauba during the workshop. While appealing all to participate at the workshop, Ratan added that interested persons can contact on the mobile number 9856-740463 in this regard. I repeat, 9856-740463.
Nongpok Ningtho Apanthoibi Trust Thawalna Sinjaduna Laiba Megi Tang Kuntaret Soklising Aniga Kunmanga Dagi Numit Tarini Supna State Level Gi Thakta Lai Haraubogi Workshop Ama Sinjari Hairiba Workshop Asida Iramdam Asomda Laibiriba Laibungi Committee Amadi Iramdam Asonda Lairiba Laiga Mari Lainaba Organization Lup Kuding Magna Saruk Yabiu Haidana Nongpok Ningtho Apanthoibigi Maikei Dagi Pauzelasi Tamjari.
Moving on to national news. A Supreme Court bench consisting of Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai and Justice Augustine George Mashish has decided to devote an entire day on May 20 to hear arguments for and against an interim order to stay the provisions of the Work Amendment Act 2025. Chief Justice Gavai asked the lawyers to come prepared, submit a consolidated note of their submissions and points of law beforehand to ensure that the case is not adjourned. Both Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the government, and Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal on the petitioner's side suggested that at the beginning of the hearing to schedule it for next week, giving the bench ample time to study the case papers. A bench of Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai and Justice A.G. Mashish will consider whether interim relief of stay is required on three issues, that is, work by a user, nomination of non-Muslims to the Work Council and state work boards, and identification of government land under work. Now it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Admission open for 2025-26 session at National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Nelit Imphal, Akampat. University courses: MTech CSE in AI, MCA, MSc IT, MSc Bioinformatics, BCA, BSc Computer Science, PGDCA, O-Level IT and CHMT, Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering, DCSE, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, DECE. Free course fee for SC/ST students. Last date to apply is 20 May 2025. For further details, please contact 8132062261. Register now.
Admission opens for various courses in Manipur Technical University, Takilpad. Applications are invited for admission to B.Tech courses for the academic session 2025-26 in Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering. Interested candidates may apply online or download form from the university website at www.mtu.ac.in from May 15, 2025. Or application forms are also available at Office of the Registrar, Manipur Technical University Government Polytechnic Campus, Takilpad. Forms will be issued on May 15, 2025 for G and non-G candidates. Last date of admission of duly filled-in application form for G candidates is May 23, 2025 till 4 p.m. and for non-Z candidates on June 10, 2025. Notifications for admission to MBA course will be issued in due course. For further queries, please contact 0986 3764237 or 0385 3523267 or by email at admission@mtu.ac.in.
Caesar Hospitals na keyhole surgery pangthorakpa chahi kungamapan mapung pharakpa kumonga mari leinana May tha manungda keyhole surgery da 10% mari leinaba investigation singda 15% amasung general ward bed charges da 20% discount phangbigani akupa marol pizariba mobile number natraga Caesar Hospitals tagi phangbigani.
Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. President Draupadi Murmu has written to Supreme Court asking if timelines could be imposed on governors to act on bills sent by state assemblies. She sought the top court's opinion under Article 143, Clause 1 of the Constitution, which gives President the power to consult the court on legal issues or matters of public importance. The question before the court involved the power and procedure to be followed to grant consent under Article 200 of Constitution and the power of President to act on a reference by Governor under Article 201. In April, a bench of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice R. Madhavan had used the court's special powers to resolve a face-off over stall bills between DMK government in Tamil Nadu and Governor R.N. Ravi. The court said the governor's refusal to approve 10 bills was illegal and arbitrary and set a 3-month deadline for the president and governors to clear bills passed by the legislature for the second time. Now the sports news. In Kho-Kho, 20-day Kho-Kho Summer Camp 2025 kicked off at the campus of Yumnam Huidrom Higher Secondary School today. The free Kho-Kho Summer Coaching Camp is being organized by Yumnam Huidrom Higher Secondary School under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association. Speaking in the opening ceremony, General Secretary of Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association, M. Madhusudan, highlighted the importance of integrating sports with academic activities to achieve a healthy and productive society. International Kho-Kho player K. Dhananjoy and national player K. Chandrathoy will be part of the free Kho-Kho summer coaching camp as instructors and impart basic Kho-Kho skills to over 80 students from 10 schools in Imphal West District. On the other hand, Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association has also initiated free coaching camps from today at Sen DYAC Ground, Salungphum Public Ground and SCEAS DO Ground under Thobal District.
अखोई टारगेट अखोई पांडम यावबा पोट हाइतारे एजुकेशन विथ स्पोर्ट्स अनि सिटूना चनमिनब कांदा अखोई मियोइबदो मपुंग फाब मियोइबम ओइ हाइबगी पांडम दु एजुकेशन हाइबसि लाइरिक लाइसु हाइत्रबा खांगैबसि यावद्रबा अदोइदि मियोइबदो मपुंग फाबा मियोइ अम ओइरोय अदि समाज अम चावकन वनबस मदु ओइरोय स्पोर्ट्स सिना पृथ्वी सिदा चरांग नरिबा कोलिबा मयामजि स्पोर्ट्स तो वान संग्रगदि मदुना पृथ्वी शांति पूर्ण नबगी लांजंग द मरोइ बखुलाई छे अखोई स्पोर्ट्स ओइ हाइबने आजि की पांडम सिदा कोना खोंजंग सि अखोई चंगचलकपनि.
And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center, Imphal state's maximum temperature was recorded at 30.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 19.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 83% in the morning and 51% in the evening today. As per report, Manipur received 0.2 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Assam Rifles neutralizes 10 suspected militants of Myanmar-based KNAB in gunfight that erupted along Indo-Myanmar border in Chandel district. Manipur police dismisses existence of cookie groups that threatened Meitei community against attending Shiroi Lili festival, assures adequate security for visitors. Well, that's all we have in this afternoon bulletin. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, have a great evening.